Hello everyone, Gmoed JP, and yeah, I'm pretty late to the game, seriously. I've been busy with other games though, like mostly Pokemon Masters, Final Fantasy Brave, XVS War of Visions, some Dragon's Crown. I just have other games. I haven't decided to pick this up yet, but the only reason why I picked this up now, I wasn't planning to pick this up until Pokemon Bank came out. To transfer most of my Pokemon that I have worked hard throughout the decades or years, whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, some guy was selling this on my local app for 30 bucks. I wanted Pokemon Sword over Shield, so I could not, so I could not miss that. So yeah, had to pick it up. $30 is way too cheap. So, compared to 60 bucks. So, here it is. I got it. Brand new. Seal. So, let me zoom in. I know there's plenty of videos already out there, but still doing my just doing an unboxing for my channel. You can bet it to the very best. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I don't know who will be my starter. I might be going with Scorbunny. I know Swabble became everybody's favorite. It was Scorbunny, but anyways, let's unbox this and let's see what that looks like. So, let me quickly remove the cover. The plastic from the cover. Wow, I can't believe I got this game for like 30 bucks. Brand new. So, give me a minute, you guys. There it is. Let me zoom. Give me a minute. I don't know why it's not auto-focusing. There it is, you guys. There it is. Sorry about that. Seriously. So yeah, let's open this up. Boom. The map. It has a map. The Galar Gallant region. Anyways, I haven't never played this, of course. Man, can't wait. Pokemon Bank is next year. Next month, actually. So, I gotta get that Snorlax event too. Gotta do a lot of catching up. And, yeah. I'll be making videos on boss battles, gym leaders, most importantly, like I've done with most Pokemons. And, yeah. So, here we go, you guys. I'm about to start this adventure today. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to be friends, add me up on Nintendo Switch or let me know. I'll give you my what is it, friend code. So take care, you guys. Bye.